rapidly evolving landscape of AI development, the capability to enrich data with precise labels directly influences the effectiveness of machine learning models. Recognizing this, the intersection of innovative machine learning backends and efficient data labeling process has become crucial. DataStudio, the innovative data-centric AI platform, provides users with an innovative feature, ML Backend Integration. This functionality bridges DataStudio with leading machine learning backends such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Hugging Face, facilitating automatic and programmatic labeling of datasets. Designed to enhance the efficiency of AI teams, this integration allows for the seamless application of advanced ML models to unlabeled data, streamlining the data preparation phase and accelerating the path to insights. Before diving into the hands-on demonstration, let's highlight the core features of this integration. 1. Automated data labeling. Leverage the state-of-the-art ML models to automatically label your datasets, reducing the manual effort and increasing label accuracy. 2. Custom model deployment. Integrate your custom-trained models to apply specific labeling logic, tailored to your unique project requirements. And 3. Continuous learning loop. Implement a continuous learning process where the ML models improve over time through feedback and retraining, ensuring ever-increasing accuracy. Now let's walk through how to set this up. Visit DataStudio and sign into your account. Create a new project or select an existing one. Configure the template parameters as needed and start the labeling process when you create a new project. Now I'll be using an existing one, so like freeform sample that I have. Now you can go to settings and then choose the ML model here. By clicking this, you can see the different ML models that are there. So you can select your desired ML backend and model. Now if you're using a custom model, select the type of ML model that you want to integrate and insert the link to your custom model. So right now I'll click on GPT-4 and the URL will be here. Make sure that you check these boxes in and then click the save button. You can now see that your project is connected to your ML backend. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly.